Hello, Internet Academy scholars. Mrs. Olson here. We are in week 7 of second semester. Make sure you are taking your weekly attendance quiz in your advisory class. It's really important. Make sure that you're also submitting your assignments in all of your classes and you're asking for help when you need it. This Friday is the deadline for the March MPR period. It came fast, didn't it? Check out the global announcements for social Zooms. There's a whole bunch of them, including 3/14 being Pi Day. There is a social Zoom for that. Next week is the presentation of your SLC. That's your student-led conference. Make sure that you sign up, prepare, and show up to present. All right, the quote for this week is by Theodore Roosevelt, who said, "Believe you can, and you are halfway there." All right, everyone, have a great week. Bye.